Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure prerequisites are met. Ensure Windows updates are current and you're signed into Office with an account that has admin privileges. Open Word or Excel now because the app menu triggers the update flow. Once done, go to File, choose Account, and locate Office Updates. This is the immediate action. Don't navigate away because the update control lives in the app and begins checks that the system-level components depend on. Click Update Options, then Update Now. This forces Office to check Microsoft servers and start the download. You'll see progress in the app status bar or system tray. Make sure to keep the Office app open so the installer runs. If prompted, allow changes by agreeing to UAC. That's required for installing service files. Also, pause large downloads and close other Office apps so installation isn't blocked. Doing this reduces conflicts and speeds the update process. When downloads finish, the installer applies updates and may ask you to restart the PC. Do that to finalize service registration. After reboot, open an Office app and confirm the version under File, Account to ensure you're on the latest build. If the update fails, try Quick Repair from Control Panel Programs and Features. If that doesn't work, run Online Repair. This resets installation files without losing settings. If problems persist, note error codes for focused troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.